video is a collaboration with some of my amazing YouTube friends, started by Dawn from The Minimal Mom. We are all spring cleaning our homes, so check out the playlist down below to get even more spring cleaning motivation. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. Join me as I spring clean my master bedroom. I plan to tackle other rooms in my home this month, so please subscribe if you don't want to miss those videos. Spring cleaning. It's been on my mind recently, as I'm sure it's been on yours. I've written a poem for you about spring cleaning. You know how I like to do that. New life is emerging outside. I'm getting restless within, longing for the crisp, purifying air. The wind chimes hide the din of my anxious thoughts. Satisfaction sought in this place, hidden spaces gone unnoticed. Dust thick enough to trace. Trace it I do, and wipe away the unsightly and concealed grime. A spring cleaning for my room. And a spring cleaning for my mind. You've seen me clean this room many times. In fact, this is one of the cleanest rooms in the house, the master bedroom. So it's kind of funny that I chose to start in here. I started in this room because I thought it would be the easiest. I know you're not supposed to do that. Eat the frog, they say. But this room is my refuge. It's where I escape to when I need a break, which is often. So I'm starting here in case spring cleaning the rest of the difficult spots in the home with the family requires me to hide in my room for sanity. As I've stated before, this room is clutter-free, except for my perpetual pile of books. Ben is even more of a minimalist than I am, and he keeps all of his electronics, etc. in his office, so really, all of the mess in this room is mine. Even though this is the easiest room in the home to keep up, I was reminded that even the supposedly cleanest rooms tend to harbor hidden dust. In a bedroom, this can be detrimental. A bedroom must be as dust-free as possible. Today is Change the Sheets Day, so while I'm here, I am changing out the bed linens. I find this to be a very meditative task, and there is literally nothing better than getting into a freshly made bed at the end of a long day. When planning out your spring cleaning schedule, keep in mind that you're also going to have to do your regular weekly chores as well. If you find yourself resisting housework, slow down and make it a present moment practice. Quiet your mind. Listen to the sounds of cleaning. The gentle scrubbing. The rustle of sheets. The smoothing of pillowcases. The tinkle of the fan. The soft coaxing of the wind chime. I've tackled the hidden places of this room, and the rest of the spring cleaning will address other grimy places that require attention. If you'd like to join me for those coming up, please subscribe. I wish you a very pleasant spring cleaning experience. Keep calm and remain classy, friends. Love, Jennifer.